National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Denton County in north-central Texas, Collin County in north-central Texas, southern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pilot Point to near Flower Mound, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Frisco, Louisville, Flower Mound, Coppell, The Colony, Highland Village, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, and Prosper around 10:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time.